Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In today's video, I will show you how to create an Ozan account which will allow you to send and receive money, making games purchases online and using virtual cards for various transactions. Let's begin. So to get started, the first step is to download the Ozan app from the Google Play Store. Once you have successfully installed the app, go ahead and click on the icon. Now, select the second option that says choose English and then click on the button below it. On the following page, you will see different Ozan features. Simply click Next repeatedly until you see the Start button. It's time to choose your preferred option. You will need to enter your phone number. To get this number, go to rentsms.online. I have already covered this platform in my previous videos, but let me explain it to you guys once more, step by step, how you can get UK phone number. And by the way, guys, Ozan doesn't accept virtual numbers, so that means virtual numbers will not work with Ozan. But thankfully, rentsms.online offers real phone numbers that work seamlessly with Ozan and without any problem, with affordable price, of course. Let's scroll down and I will show you how to check the cost of the UK phone number. Click on the country, then choose the 1 month plan. In search column, you can see clearly the price, which is £7.99 per month. So for this private and dedicated UK number, you will pay only £7.99, guys. Now let me guide you on how to make an account. Simply click on sign up button and you will be prompted to provide some basic information like your username, your name, email and password. You type your password to confirm it and click on create an account. After that, return to the homepage of rentsms.online and click on login. You will be asked to enter your username and password and then click on login. This takes you to the dashboard of RentSMS, guys. Now let's proceed to purchase a phone number. Click on numbers, buy numbers. Now we need to choose the country. In this case, the United Kingdom, as shown in this video. Afterward, click on buy. On the right side, as you can see, the pricing of the subscriptions, guys, for a week, a month, 3 months, and a year. Now we need to choose the rental period. For example, we will just take 1 month and click on order. As you can see, guys, my account balance has not enough money, so we need to add funds to it to purchase the number. To add funds, click on add fund. You will have a choice of payment methods, PayPal, credit card, and cryptocurrency. It's entirely your decision on how you want to make the payment. In this case, I will go with crypto. I will click on the crypto icon. From here, you can choose the amount you would like to add to your account. For instance, I'm selecting 10 USD and I click next. I need to provide my email address and click on place order. Now, you need to enter your billing information, including your first name, last name, email, and select the preferred cryptocurrency on the right side, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USD. I'm choosing Bitcoin. Once you have completed the payment, it will be quick process, guys. Just go back to the RentSMS dashboard and you will find the 10 USD, in my case, on the Binance account. Let me finish it quickly and let's go back there. After a few minutes, just refresh your page and you will find your money there. Let's go now and buy number. You need to click on numbers, buy numbers. You need to select the United Kingdom, click on buy and select 1 month and click on order. Now we have purchased the number, the UK number, as you can see. Now just copy the number and go back to the Ozan app and paste the number there to verify the account. I will type the number quickly here and click on continue. Then click on inbox to see the SMS code that has been sent by Ozan and type it here for the verification. Now I will type my email address, click on continue. I have to go to my email and get the verification code set by Ozan and enter it here. Now you have to write your first name and the last name and click on create account. Click on continue. Now we need to answer the security questions and click on complete. Now we have to read the legal agreements and click on the second one. All of it is too long. And then I agree and we click on continue. Now we need to set the 6-digit password. You need to type it again. The dashboard of Ozan and we need to verify the identity to get the virtual card and start using the account. We need to click on the profile and then upgrade to plus plan. Then we need to choose the country. Now I need to enter my birthday, day, month and year and then click on continue. Here we need to type our full address, the country, the city, the province, and the full address, and click on continue. Here you need to choose your profession, for example, freelancer, teacher, notar, or anything. It's up to you guys. Just choose your profession. Now we are in the last step. We need to verify our identity. We need to choose the country. In my case, United Kingdom. Sorry, United Kingdom, not United States. Just right, United Kingdom. And then I will choose the identity card and click on continue. Now I will just bring my ID and take a picture of it. It needs to be clear, not blurry, and everything will be okay. After that, click on continue, guys, and you will get an email notification telling you that your account is verified. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Give it a like, share it, subscribe to the channel, and thank you.